Welcome back, everybody out there in Truth Concepts land. I just wanted to add one more video overview of a feature that Todd just added to the Asset Flow calculator. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to spend a few moments just on the summary page. And I took a situation, I took a story where I kind of inputted some clients already. They got some information here. You can see that we have a tab for earnings. For Social Security, you kind of saw me walk through that in an earlier video. We have a tab for tax-deferred IRAs. I'm going to call this an IRA. And just tightening up some details here. You notice I'm using some inputs here about when to start distributions, interest rates to apply. Not even getting into fluctuation, just kind of using this for a generic story. Tax-free account, so we can call this a Roth, right? Roth IRA. Click a button on Roth IRA there. Applying interest rates, earnings, and I plugged in here individual distributions, just not strategically, just for story purposes. Here's an annuity with an income rider, and if you saw the last video where I kind of walked through, or one of the videos where I kind of walked through that, you can see a delay in triggering the rider and then turning the rider on, and then down here, even after the account runs dry, we can use the lifetime guaranteed payout and use the software to quote unquote say we're annuitizing it at that point to kind of run that number on into perpetuity. Most importantly, from a summary standpoint, what I wanted to show, and this is pretty impressive what Todd's done here. The normal summary when you first pull it up just kind of shows various accounts, kind of summarizes all the various accounts, summarizes cash flow from the accounts, summarizes earnings across accounts, summarizes taxes on distributions or earnings depending on the type of account, and then it kind of calculates a net worth and a total net worth to heirs and a total cash flow and that sort of things. We can plug in the expenses and the living expenses and stuff with a difference. What Todd added here is this button right here on the right hand side. If you click this button, what it's going to do is it's going to kind of take a view of where our various income sources are coming from. This is powerful because we get to see earned income and Social Security tab. This could actually technically be a pension. That's what I used. I kind of had the clients earning income for 2 years and then turning on pensions, turning on Social Security at various times. That's where you see some differences here. You can kind of see if we had inputs in the ordinary taxable accounts where we're taking cash flow from there, you'd see it in this column. We see the tax-free account where I was taking random distributions. We see the real estate account if it was paying us net cash flow. We see the annuity tab that I was using to kind of take out some money there. We have stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. In a brokerage account, we have tax advantage, which is the like IRAs and whatnot, life insurance, prosperity flow-through account for a total here. So I thought it was pretty powerful to kind of we were able to take that combination and kind of show it this way if we wanted to. We can either show it from an asset perspective or we can show it from an income perspective. So there's going to be a new button here on the summary. That's what it's for. It's going to help us to kind of tell an income story and tie together retirement income planning on one sheet here for our clients. So hopefully that helps you and hopefully that helps your clients. Definitely encourage you to open up this asset flow calculator and start playing with it. And in the meantime, here's to your prosperity and to theirs. See you soon.